Okay, abusina for Asante Kotoko any Benab game no abaye. Benab share first goal 34th minute and Asante Kotoko take a 62nd minute. Coach Karim Zito first squad 11 the chassis no second half and sisan kakra eba mu anei ni nyina mu nkyeremu sɛnea nneɛma esi ekoko gyinaeɛ no yɛnyini straight away mfɛmfiri adakɔ gyaakye minia yɛkyerɛkyerɛ biribi abɔkɔ deɛ.
Yanko Padaroma, BBI Boko, boss.
Friendly game no said is equal ya shasi to a we say ankasa and an city.
Okay, mina wase na mina ahwefo ne atie for nso ase sa bibia unya bre na omo ehwe ye videos e de emaye na ene and so Benab Football Club and so friendly game and so ha ni nyina ne say Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko prepare at the room was South Africa na omo any Kaizer Chiefs akwakobo Toyota International Cup na any training no me can say ekoye because omo prepare training friendly game inti bibia nso ekoye e wa hase in the first half no coach Abdul Karim Zito started players nimu ebi na first half na dodoɔ na nso yɛ old players a ɔmo ɛwɔ Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobu ko nimu dada ɛna second half no ɛkɔyɛ new players no dodoɔ na ebe boy was second half of the game no na ene emre ni wi dodo na kakra nti supporters ni dodo ne bae no na complaints but ye wura mu was second half of the game no na supporters a mo abase no na when them ye pa because club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko enye club ketwa kra o man konkro Ghana mu
Yeah, Nana Bibi, my first half lineup, no me a second half lineup. Why? Now you are fans.
Okay. First half of the game, players are almost starting here Edima Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Goalkeeper ni di Benjamin Chum. And I started game, Edima Kotoko in the goal post. Number 2, Ekwako Lord Amoh. 3, na Abrantia ni di Joseph Amoh from Legon Cities. And a ball number 3, Edima Kotoko. And a center backs, Ekwaye Samba Gilbani in Dongani O'Neill. And Zakaria Fuseni into center backs, to your friend say Abrante and Eddie Zakaria Fuseni and Samba O'Neill. And I'm pay also a wedge in Finfi Honomono and a coach Abdul Karim Zito. A usu Abrante and Eddie Hubert Jew. And a board defensive midfielder, I'm confiding free Samates, Edino Ebaya, Abranten did the Lord Hilary at double, or also STT game, and so Edema Kotoko, and Emmanuel entry, a boy, a car, 2 players, Hubert Joe, and then Abranten did the Hilary double, and a Nimkono, a quiet, Abranten did at Kwame Poku, Albert Amwa, Anna Johnson, Owusu Opon. Omo ana start here Edima Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko. First half no eba be kona wie no ana player ni din edi Emmanuel entry epra kakra na epra no enye serious biasa about opra first one eba na second one by na coach said debi eni kwan so ma kwan ma brante na to aso it wo yini free makers na ka be 5 minutes na first half no aba na wie na yini free ema abrante ni din enso edi set kwadu enso ebe shame so in the first half no team omo body man Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko Benab FC Eshomo Kaba ko mo ntimi ante no players we na start here in the second half of the game and coach Abdul Karim Zito players ni nyina enso edu mu free ma or the second set enso ebaye na second set no eni goalkeeper ni din Fatau Seidu start here Francis Akwa start as number 3 obo the left back Edima Kotoko Shaibu Abubakar ebo number 2 Anna 4 and 5 Ekwaya Brantani din Henry Kwame Ansu and Michael Sifa mfimfini hɔ no ana ɔbɛbɔ Baba Yaya ɔbɔ Baba Yaya no ana ɔgya set kwadwo egum because set kwadwo no ɔbaamu mefa nsaka for 5 minutes na game no abana wie yɛ nti no ɔkipu no goma second half no ɔsan so start here so set kwadwo Baba Yaya ana Abrante and the enso ɛde Philip Amoh so players we ana coach Zito start omo ɛwɔ mfimfini hɔ nom ɛnim hɔ no ɔbɔ Elvis Che Balfour Awuchi, Saka Dawda, not Saka Dawda, and so Eka home, and so Ewo anymore. Second half of the game as well. These are the players Coach Abdul Karim Zito, and so Eyusu Omoa, or the Omo a boy, could do any mukakra, and a goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, and so Ebemua, Obeyi Aranti and the day, and so a day Fatal Seidu, and so didn't go post anymore, and Abrante and the day, and so a day youth player, this youth player, and also a buy Jordan Emisa, yes, Jordan Emisa, and so a buy in the second half. Now, Numu, and a crop your Kumasia Sante Kotoko, and so a T or more a goaler, Benab FC, and so a show more in the first half. And it was so beside first half players that Zito, coach Zito, you see, and the second half players are coach Karim Zito, you see, and I'm a day and so two anymore.
You can't say Benab go no meaning say guy I'm trying danger and a share go no Kotoko go no why na share
Kotoko go no go na de nka eye ansu na pem share goal de nka ya ansu na pem share but keeper no yi free mu ma awuche so ansu pia de tum so me na more far from the pool so I don't know if say try and keeper no yi buy and awuche ansu bo share de and I say first head and the result go ndema Kotoko de and no so sa na ko see
head and the
aha ta uche wune sounds fian this chim the iron dey bia ono anam di go le be man
na Patrick Asiedu minya ntie se obenya ne normal position no eboye obem obo score second half man tinidin obem
okay any ya hwefo na yeti for me no or started first half no but na coach bono ewo right wings men can say number 7 no ɛhɔ na ahyase no coach Karim Zito airborne no but within the game no na enima mfa ɛma no sɛneɛ normally no ɔbɔ 3 na ɛfa de ma no no enti ɔma no kɔ ball the left back no ɛde no ɛkɔ number 11 ball 7 no enti ɛkyerɛ no na coach Karim Zito ɛyi Francis Akwafiri mu ɛde Inus Adams ɛde ne bam to the Inus abai no be ma Inus ball 7 no ana Saka Dawda ɛkɔ 11 no and so boy Patrick Asiedu started second half of the game no but no Bono as a right winger number 7 and pushing the back and call the left back position no and Oshesen na Etienne na supporters no game na started na omobo enjo the coach Abdul Karim Zito because na omo refer say ye hard to folk game no the same thing and ya ama brand no who game no so and also friendly gamer on also and keep you between a position na bibi also wetimi ay kama no coach Karim Zito asan so push no na kwa different position na ha brand the power but or no kwa actually no na supporters ni na ebo omunsem ema coach Karim Zito say wasan so dia brand na court the normal position and also ebo brand na okoduru ho no so de send ye tie dada na one season performance or done it our last season no just end this season or done it the same performance na no done it and so our game ni ma or boy ma Kotoko and so timi ete eka against Benab no tibo so beside asan it and so
okay enti ye wie no probia ma apart from Manelentry a upra kakra no which is no kwamenye show say serious obi impress serious
yes serious be anyway fetch e by players ni don't omo ya available na dey obi etimi boy ama injury bia nso enfre chamba omo mo injury dada na e wo ho no but omo boy na dey obi empra
very well you better say na bibia keche so de to aso afa to aso mai
okay and the akacha can say players are Kotoko assigning woman no yen can say dodo na enso timi si akan de e de ema Kotoko especially na player na dodo na ehwe nanim senka ono so bitimi abaibo bi e de ama omo eye more friend those are ye break here and so ewa ha say oba be join the club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko bubuku no but second half of the game and I say first half second half ni na na abrante no enso ni ha say players no supporters no to mani asen kom be hu no but omo enhu no send ye na everyday bia ye breaki ade no ansa na ba abontin ntino morofin dozo say kan say wasan so akọ back home na okoto ye ne ntoto ye asan so aba krobia kumasi asante kodoko bubu kudi mu no okọ na okọ akọboaboa ne ho enye se okọ se kodoko bubu kuno an signing abrante no ye dika de mom se was signing and 3 years contract and obe signing de amakrobia kumasi asante kodoko okofie na okọ akosiesi ne ho okọboaboa ne ma no na ono so aba ene ono ana mefa se wamba na kodoko supporters ye disappointed kakabet send the information na etie say okọ efie akwakoboaboa ne ho asan so aba because kodoko eko South Africa e was say ono so eko na ebia pre-season game amo ekwakobo against Kaizer Chiefs na say cup game no ono so atimi abobi eho na and new players no senior udi kan ni mi di ho nkomo no ansa na ye ba ha say no players na performance amo dan edi no na e wosoro and ye ne supporters no do na edi nkomo after say game no enso eba na wie ye no na de no omo kan say abrante na the team enso ede Philip Amoh no any yes Philip Amoh no se kodoko ehwe ne yie na so mutimi ekipu ni cha obeboa team ni yie papa na ni nyina echi no ye wie esan so any Safu Jamfi Safu Jamfi legend ede makrobio kumasi asante kodoko bubu kono su di nkomo na ono so nkomo ni mu no asema okafa abra akoda ne ho ye busa no se players akodoko assign no musisi ya why na ohune se ne modern body wona nimpa na wode se si abrante se sa player no a ne din de Philip Amoh a ofi new adubia se buy na heart of bubu ko nkomo epeno no asema kan se kodoko timi kipu boy no kipu ni ya oba be yes star e wo Ghana football wan ka se kodoko nko a wo se Ghana football eno ana Safu Jamfi e kan Saforo okan edefa abrante ne din enso ede Philip Amoh ho but the kind amount say Philip Amoh no first justified game e course wa ha say no ana kodoko supporters ni mpanyimfo ni gye ne ho a omo efa no eti Safu Jamfi a we legend ede Emma Krobie Kumasi Asante kodoko e break say boy no ebe ye star e wo Ghana football and found say national team say kodoko bobu kuno as your friend say Ghanaian international dey oba be star and so at the ama Ghana football no any asema okaye other players no so and obia so disappointing nipa na supporters no say o mahu ni bobo ye Joseph Amwa of Lagos cities ono na and then the performance no e wo fem kakra in the first half no na supporters no e complaining and even goal nearby in the cramp no na omo e complaining say the position the one on kwasenka oye ball no or clear ball ni ade ni fro no antimi anye ne niam asantina omo e complaining about the performance but supporters don't want to as time goes on no e niam enso betimi afa e de ama abrante ne de Joseph Ammo so eba Hilary Adabo Hubert Joe ni almost someone can ask him because Omehunu Kodoko had to fuck mad anymore. So you don't want to talk about him because performance need a genuine. Why in the ball a genuine Johnson Oponso and disappointed supporters in the crowd. When disappointed Kodoko supporters first half of the game, no supporters any saw the modern one who ye pa and the players are boss Omaba Kodoko Bobu couldn't say Siane supporters no energy home and paying for after the games you know didn't come on almost energy players no but Philip Amono another donor and so I can ask him and so ever has he.
Okay, you better say Nanaba for your reporter or the Amayen Kotoko Eteka Abra Benab a share one more a dinka in 34th minute and a Kotoko take us 62nd minute. So final score Kotoko 1, Benab 1.
Okay, boss, me will my main family fans also. Ahumachin and out betuja as a crop your commercial Santi Kotoko, I appointed and crop Mahuma and 9. Our Munina Eba Beka Kotoko and sweet team no now more aye Juma Ediama Kotoko Bobu Kudu, a Mubako Eba assistant coach Eddie Ama Kotoko, a youth team no operations a room, sounds on a market any and so a woman. almost nyina ebeboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobuku ene nyina enso be pie mu enso ewo adako jachia after the game mpanyimfo introduce omo ekire the playing body and the technical team no say almost so eba beka ho na almost so ahwe na dwumadi a Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobuku na ehwe say this season anyama enso betimi akoyi e de ama team no enso etimi akoso nti nyina enso be pie mu ha se ya na apenkra mu coach Akwasi Apia any supporters chairman Ashanti Regional supporters chairman Alexander Menumu any omo makeke ni nyina mpanyimfo omo Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobuku ndi dodo na so ebp mo ha and omo so ebe monitor friendly game and so so against Benab Football Club nti boss me wie no sanity and come and so so after the game meetings course pa more than 30 minutes meetings course pa e wa say omo free pitch no so omo cow pitch no so was coach Akwasi Apia coach Karim Zito and na penkra no mu din komo efi dugout mu ba ni na ye kwan be fa so a Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobuku no enso be fa ntuma pa enso efra.
Okay, you better say din komo behind the scene pretty soon. Now there could be a catchy be a kuchi mai na you know see fan serve your team for behind the scene na be a nyama. Why?
Most player mate videos eba videos be sisi ebe ye ho adwuma and ni nyina be boa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko tinti ye ne ahwefo ne yetiefo so nyina ase abibia omo kan ho na omo enkoso a na omo enhwe ye omo ense sa ade ne vanko be fufuro bia aheya ani breaking news ni nyina.
Okay, India and about Kwame Gracious, and the Wabua Amaya who said is Sikoye, Ewo Bia, your friend said Adako Jach, nti game Akotoko airball na aye the Chatwa, the Eco PM, that drada Ewo and crying. Now from a crime Tuesday, I touch it down. Ewo Bia, your friend said South Africa, na Yatwa so Gremu, Ewo Durban City, Hono, Honey who's to us Antikotoko. Bibia chimi akoko so kama ewo mo yedim say Asante Kotoko ebe route to OR Tembo that is place a friend say Johannesburg Captain Park entry aso na from Captain Park entry aso no wo mo atimi ato aso akakopie mo Debana eno so entry mu kakra de tudwa ama yenetiefo ewo mo nti bibia de dia coach Karim Zito emrepem besa ba na yedi kochi to nso nkomo kakra betudwa coach na yedi esro ne say why be no atwa so Patrick Asiadu why talented player pa nti obi obo Serbia benkuma na say tete no yeka so obi obo the number 3 was a fullback there wadama o ya try no wings so na nye ya na wadaroma watwa so na ohu bibia timi akoso kama enye na akwada no career no enkoye ahwe ye nkon bia na me say akwada no o pay top players what team ni mu a definitely Untimi Nkase Patrick Asiadu we ignore no and a very hard working guy. Yes, very hard working guy. Nti coach Mishra makwada na hard working what try no wins na nye ya wadama Mishra wa mano enwura mu no normal position said the ne o kai otete do no sade ne bae no na enkoso on say supporters e bae na omuko kwa pai kakra say akwada ye ne house o de ne boy amfa wo sa wins no ade ya na nso o sa ma na ti in fifries so jesa na ma eniema ai bibio ho nti yesro wada roma yenhwe ma bibia nkoso na number 3 crowd o de ne ko ba na 7 na de ne ko bo eno tito ayimede ndopum na no mutimi karesima na tisusa over ene dege ayeyo nti mesrawa wada roma kujila why ai se ne sase ayi 11 na be na hia ba ene abenkuma to abenkuma ene o ya na nya fe na obeko ade ato right no o ma ne bre yesrawa we great asset nti nya makwada na ba mumu ofazito we die wada roma ene de maka mesianse so aka bi nti ofazito wada roma we die eye yen digitize ne makakra na analog no yen fan to akire na tactics players na kotokoma tonkwa eye na ma wo akasa wo de be yen nkwa nti wo betwitwi moko yie a blend ne ma afada bo modern na upgrade ne ma wada roma ai enye inshallah no nkwa we sa motivation no ewo inshallah oni hia de na so wada roma ma blend ne ma ne yie ofazito why ofazito blend ne ma ne yie na bibia into me enye krabe me ame ofa no nti manka hwan ne beka ofazito me do we see na ya catch it for say game of course no and that's why it's Akwa J1 report no. Thank you so much for watching. Ya catch you be the beba.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?